This is M364. This is M. (917). This is a DP capable engine. DP. 917. Friends of coal. This is M364. This is 6-axle trucks. 6 axles. It's 4,400 horsepower CSX M364. Those are its fans and motors. Those doors open, and looks like that's one of the CSX conductors or the engineer right there. He's right there. 917. Front to distinguish case of an emergency. Looks like he might be shutting down something. But this is CSX 917 ES44AH. CSX CSX. The blower motors, I think, one right there, CSX, and it's rear change. That's the fuel, where you put in the fuel, and air tank. There is a lot that goes into making a locomotive a locomotive. Not really sure what this does. But look at all of that.